Hello my friend, welcome to this video lecture. Today we're going to talk about how to read a text file using Python. So it's quite simple. It can be done with just two lines of code. So we're going to start by typing with open and then the name of the file we're gonna read. So I've already created a file here. My file is .txt, so that's the file I'm gonna read, and then comma r, which stands for read, then as file, the name of a variable, and then just print file dot read. That's it, and then we can run our code and it will print the content of our file, our text file. Voila, we have hello world, hello my programmer friend, have a nice weekend. So this is the content of our file, which is here. So that's quite simple and easy. Try this out and feel free to like, share and comment this video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.